During his first visit in 1996, Brahmaswarup Pramukh Swami Maharaj sanctified the beautiful country of New Zealand. In his second visit in 2002, he began the tradition of building mandirs in this land, the first of which was in Auckland. Over the course of these two initial visits, the seeds were sowed for a grand mandir to be gifted to the capital of New Zealand. His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj visited Wellington in 2015 as a Sadguru Sant, and again in 2018 as a spiritual head and president of BAPS. In this second visit, he gave blessings for the mandir, saying that the temple will encapsulate the beauty of New Zealand's capital city. Upon completion, the mandir will elegantly blend Western and Eastern architectural styles, showcasing traditional Indian heritage on the exterior while embracing modern Western amenities. His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj had specially sanctified the bricks to be laid in the foundation on the 31st of May 2021. Following this, a Vedic groundbreaking ceremony was performed by resident sadhus on the 20th of June 2021. Finally, with the blessings of Pramukh Swami Maharaj and Mahant Swami Maharaj, construction work officially commenced in March 2023. Let's explore the progress of the construction work for this brand new BAPS Hindu Mandir and Community Centre in Wellington. During the foundation phase of the project, 29 continuous piles were drilled to a depth of 8 meters. This then allowed for foundation beams to be poured in between these piles and eventually support the building as a whole. So far, all of the foundation and ground remediation work of both the main mandir and youth centre have been completed. They say, things invisible are more important than things visible. Though the foundations of this mandir will remain invisible, they will uphold the visible mandir for generations to come. The main temple building now has most of the external precast panels erected, propped in place, and secured to the internal steel structure. During this phase, approximately 84 precast panels were utilized for the main temple building, and additionally, 28 were installed for the youth center. Interior walls within the main building are currently being constructed on the ground floor. On the 14th of December 2023, Pujya Param Chintan Swami visited the site to sanctify and bless the construction work. As the project steadily continues, Pujya Param Chintan Swami and the Sant Mandal have offered their prayers for all of those who are involved in this astonishing project. As this mandir starts to take shape and decorative elements such as the pillars and shikhars begin to adorn it, one is reminded of what this project will truly achieve. This mandir and youth center will stand as a sanctuary where the ethos of Hindu values and culture are nurtured in both young and old alike. Each corner of the mandir will echo with teachings that forge character and inspire actions grounded in righteousness. Here, individuals will transcend their differences and unite with a shared purpose of societal contribution. The mandir will enable devotees to connect with God, empty their hearts through prayer, and bring both mind and body to peace. Ultimately, the foundations laid today do more than just pave the way for this majestic mandir. Rather, they lay the groundwork for a space that will reflect the best of those who enter, creating not just a landmark, but a legacy of community enrichment.